Good morning, everyone. It is so early. Here comes my boyfriend looking at me like I'm a crazy person. Here he comes. Can you describe that face you just made?
Oh, it's the face I'm making when you're talking to yourself.
I'm not talking to myself.
Whose else is in the car?
Me.
You plugged in inanimate object.
We're going to see Hannah. See you guys when I get there. Okay, so we just made it to our place in Nashville. It was kind of hell getting here. Yeah, it took forever to figure out how to get into this place. It was so confusing and annoying, but we're here, thank God. And now we're just waiting to go and pick up Hannah and Jared. So that'll be fun. We're gonna go pick them up in just a minute. This is my view right now. It'll be really pretty once it gets dark and there's downtown Nashville. Oh my God. Bo playing guitar? That's kind of weird. I would have never thought. Play something cool. Ooh, fancy. I'm about to go change out of this into something better because we're gonna go out for dinner, but I'll show you guys the place. This is like when you walk in. When we got here, they had flowers out for us, which were so nice and pretty and thoughtful. And then this is like the living room area and stuff, and we got some rooms over there. And this is my room in here. Really love this sweatshirt. This is Los Angeles. It's from Brandy Melville, but that's the closet and all my stuff. And this is the bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish getting ready real quick and then go pick up Hannah and Jared. You guys, my best friend is here. Hi. It's been a while. Yeah, I'll show you our outfits. Hannah is looking very stylish over here. We've got the fanny pack, we've got the jacket, we've got the great pants, the great shoes. Work that. Yes, do a spin.
This is my man's jacket. Let me tell you.
Even better. Here's what I'm wearing. Okay, I have Zara jeans, Fila sneakers, Brandy belt. I'm wearing this cheetah shirt from Forever 21.
So I was like, yo, dude, like, try these out. Sound like the.
Oh, hey.
So we're about to go eat dinner. And where are we going? We're going to Milk and Honey. Oh, we are? Okay, we're going to Milk and Honey to get a cocktail. So yeah, we will see you at Milk and Honey. Oh my God. So our drinks have arrived. Hey guys. Trash. Throw it away.
I asked what drinks were sweet, and that was on the list. I don't use any sweetness. I'm gonna stick to the way
She like. I think it might be salt. I got the what did I even get? Something sangria. And what'd y'all get? It was a strawberry margarita? Trash. Hey. So. Looking at here. Oh, that's me. Hey, that's me. Yum, guys, this looks so good. We got a margarita pizza. What'd y'all get?
Spicy Bianca.
Yes, it looks so good. So excited to eat this. It's gonna be good. You're trying it without me? Is it good? Yeah? It's really good? We got 3 different flavors here. We got pistachio and blueberry and I think a coffee flavor, and it looks so good. And I'm really excited to try this out. So we just got back from dinner. About to take my makeup off real quick. I think me and Hannah are gonna do some face mask just because we've been so like tired today. But dinner was really good. Also had ice cream, which was bomb.
Walgreens is closed.
Hello.
Hey. Hello.
So yeah, I'm gonna go take my makeup off real quick and just get ready for like bed and stuff. I know we have like a long day tomorrow. Hopefully we can try to like sleep in a little bit though. That would be nice. We have something. Alright. Hey guys, Welcome to nail session with Hannah and Brooke. Okay, so we're doing some face masks and some eye masks.
It's already on my finger.
So, Hannah, tell the viewers about yourself a little bit.
So I'm American. Brooke and I met almost like it was like next week, I think.
I think so.
6 years ago. Oh my god, 6 years ago.
That's a long time. We met at a concert.
Yeah.
It was great.
Yeah.
It was friendship at first sight.
Yeah, it really was. We just kept going to the same band's concert.
We did.
So we're actually gonna go to our fourth?
Yeah, our fourth one
concert
together. Which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's funny that we still like them like 6 years later.
Yeah.
That we love them.
But like, I'm not ugly anymore, I guess.
You were never ugly.
Honey, did you see?
Didn't have enough time to go and get my nails done, so having to paint them myself. So I really hope I don't mess this up. One time we went to Disney World. Actually, we went to Disney World a few times together. How many times did we go? 2 or 3? I can't remember.
I think once after that one concert.
Yeah, and then once with my parents, right?
Yeah,
So
and
twice.
then she forced me to go on Tower of Terror for the first time.
That was a great experience.
Tower of Terror doesn't have like something you can hold on, like just on the seat, or like I was against the like wall, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. It was like a cage thing, so I was holding on to that. I'm embarrassed. I was so scared.
So loud. You were like,
I don't remember. All I remember is grabbing onto the cage thing.
it was really funny, but it was a great experience.
Yeah, I was also really ugly then. It wasn't that bad. I was getting a little better.
We went to all 4 parks in one day.
Yeah, I did that.
We were a little much.
We were getting used out of your
we were getting used out of my 1-day pass. It's nice and early. We're going to get coffee. Yeah, we're going to get some coffee right now and some breakfast. So, there's a line outside of Biscuit Love. If somebody is from here, can you tell me what the hype is about? Please, because I'm dying to know. We back. Okay, I got my oat milk latte, so I'm so happy about this. Because you know I love oat milk. And Hannah's gonna try oat milk for the first time today. And it's really good. I think you'll really like it.
I got a Nutella latte.
Nutella latte.
With oat milk, so we'll see how it goes.
We'll let you know. So we just came back. I got some avocado toast. Looks bomb. With some fruit. Got my cold brew with oat milk. Hannah, how did you like your oat milk?
It was good. I sucked it down like there's no tomorrow.
Very delish. We might go ride scooters after, so we'll see. So we've got our birds. Hannah is on her.
They're so fun.
Well, Jared is somewhere around the city, zooming off. We have a nice city view over here. It's very nice, very fun. And yeah, it's a beautiful day today. You guys, that was so much fun. Literally, we had a blast. But now we gotta go in, we gotta get ready. We might go do a little shopping before our concert tonight. We got some ramen.
I'm gonna cry.
Hannah's about to cry. This is her favorite. It looks really good, so I'm excited to eat it. It was like chicken something, I don't know. Where even are we? What is this place called? Taku Ramen. So it's gonna be really good.
Oh my
I'm excited to eat it. So we're at the barista parlor. Those on the phone taking 10 years to get us cornrow.
Do you want to tell them?
This is just great. We're kind of having a little freak out moment, but it's all good.
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah, we're totally like everything. So here's our outfits for the concert. Looking good, Hannah.
So I'm not trying to take up the whole thing, just a little thick, you know?
No, not at all. So where's your skirt from? It's really cute.
Oh my god, it's TJ Maxx.
Oh, I love that.
So $13, not bad.
Now we're going out. Guys, how cute is this place? Hey, it's so cute. This is my favorite, and this one. This is so cute. Wow. Love that. I love that. Guys, we're in the cutest place in Nashville. It's called Winky Love.
God.
It's so cute. So many photo opportunities here, guys. So many, and it's cute. Look at that. Ooh.
We're living.
We're literally living for this place right now. Like everything in here. Like
They have matcha makeup.
but yeah, if you live in Nashville or you're coming to Nashville, check this place out. Okay, so Hannah just had to point out the most awkward, disgusting thing. She just pulled my hair. Sorry. It was bad.
Oh my god. This piece of hair keeps like
Doing that and I'm getting really mad. So yeah, we're just waiting. I have a cramp in my leg. Like I really have a cramp in my leg right now.
you need to smell around. Smell her like it's the Holy Ghost house.
Like it's the Holy Ghost house. But yeah, why am I still out of focus?
Show Jared.
Hi Jared. I'll link your channel down below for everyone.
Because he actually uses his account unlike me. I just worked.
Yep, we love that, bro. Okay, bye. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. I didn't even vlog after the concert because we got in so late. I have never been so sore in my life from dancing my butt off. Got up at 5 a.m. We're about to leave. I haven't been home in about a week and I barely had any sleep. But it's okay. I'm not complaining. Yeah, we definitely need a coffee. Yeah, the concert was super fun. I didn't vlog too much on it. I was way too busy getting around. Yeah, and if I don't film any vlogs for the rest of the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Who does construction work at 5 a.m.?
night ballin'. Counting up hundreds by the thousand.